Hello everybody! Welcome to the Simple Cooking with Heart Kitchen in my home. And today I'm bringing to you yet another one of my favorites. Go figure, ceviche. Ceviche is the simplest dish. The flavors are just so clean. You can do it with shrimp, you can do it with fish, and it cooks itself. However, when you do use shrimp, which we're using here today, I was so psyched when I found our recipe. I did cook the shrimp prior to marinating it. And this is so easy. I did it in my little bullet, well, my kid's bullet. I pureed the onion, red onion, the tomato, the garlic, the jalapeno, and with a little bit of lime juice, pureed that all up. And I'm mixing this in with the shrimp. And then I'm hand cutting, dicing the beautiful avocado. And this one's just absolutely perfect. Putting that in here too with fresh cilantro, a little bit more lime. This is absolutely one of my most favorite dishes in the whole world. It screams summer. Squeeze a little more lime on top of it. It requires quite a bit of lime, okay? Really pick your shrimp wisely. I choose American because I know they're sustainably sourced. So this summer or winter or spring, enjoy your ceviche. I know I will. Thank you for joining me. Have a great afternoon. Híjole caramba.